going on, everybody? Just Adventure back here finally with a new fishing video. I'm here with my buddy Noah today. We're headed out to the river. It's actually snowing today. It's pretty cold, but we're gonna go out and see if we can't catch a few trout. Got a pretty good feeling about today, so stay tuned. Oh, dude, no, I see one right now. I literally see one, bro. I saw a pretty good one swimming a second ago. I don't know where he went. Yeah, bro, I literally saw one cruising under this bridge a second ago. I think I might have spooked him, though. Oh. Yeah, they are spooked.
I wonder how far up they are. I think they saw my shadow right there, which is weird. See him?
Where at?
We might have to move down, dude. I feel like people came under this bridge here and casted these trout.
I'm sure.
This is just the first spot. It's a good sign, though.
Yeah, I mean, we've seen what, probably 3 or 4.
Yep. Just take the Jeep on.
The one that I saw was about it was about maybe 9, 10 inches, something like that.
Yeah. Let's take the Jeep on down. I think these are spooked.
All right. Yeah, they're kind of finicky.
I'm not tying the up from fly rod.
That'd be good, probably.
I like those that artificial egg on there too, so it stands out. I can see it.
There's one. Got one. Oh shit, where'd he go? No. No, dude. Oh god. Oh, it's in my bag. Oh, there! I didn't bring my rod.
What?
Well, I didn't. Hold it up. It's a nice one. Right on him.
Easy.
I'll get him. Okay, net him. big old trout. That's a pretty good one. That's about 12.
Bigger than this one.
I think it's about 12. Would you say?
Get that net.
Okay.
Oh, he's jumping, dude.
I got him. Bring him over here.
Yeah, he's fighting, dude.
Yeah, bring him right here.
That's a smaller one, but it's pretty.
Oh, you got him?
That's the biggest one.
Noah's got. God, we're on him right now. We found him. Noah's got him another one right there.
Check him out.
Oh, that's a good one, dude.
It's like those ones
Look at that one right there.
Grab it.
Cast right. Oh, yeah. Yeah. One's on. Give him a sec. Oh, he didn't have it all the way. You can get him again. He's still sitting there. He's still sitting there. Oh, he's on it. Got him. Got that one on film. Right at my feet. Right at my feet.
That's awesome.
Oh. Dude, he jumped and it came out.
Yeah, I'm really close to it. We gotta use that real enough. Yeah, I'm really close.
I'm gonna get one right here. Oh my God, there's still a ton of them on that.
Oh my God.
You see them all swarming it?
Yep.
Oh, he had it. There's one.
Oh, nice, man.
That's a good one. That's a good one. No, don't jump. Come here.
Here, I'll help you.
I think I can get him.
Where do you want to land over here? Over to the shallow stuff.
Oh, that's a good one, dude.
He's barely hooked, man.
One sec, grab him. Yes! Oh, that's a nice one.
Look at that.
Another trout right there. Look at that one. Gorgeous fish, man. Noah, bro, they're still over here, bro. Got one. Look at that.
You need a net?
I think I can get him.
Oh, man, they feel good on that thing. Walk over to the bank. Here, I'll go to the bank.
Dude, it's another good one, man.
Bring him over here. This way. Think about that deeper water. Oh, that's that.
Nice one. Let's go, bro. God.
Okay, good.
Another great rainbow trout, man. Look at that thing.
About a foot.
Noah just got another good one. About a footer. We've got a big hole over here. They're just sitting in there. All right. Just came off this spot. We might go to another one after this. Got a big stringer full of fish. We got, what, 8 trout in here, Noah?
Yeah, we got 4 more.
A couple foot long, couple about 10 inches. And we're going to go to one other spot. So and hopefully it'll be just as good. All right, we're back in the Jeep now. Gonna end the video there. We ended up with about, what, 8 trout, I think? And we each missed probably about like 2 or 3. So could have had a lot more, but still a pretty good day. We kind of got on them there. But as always, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.